complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome, everyone, and welcome, Nexo, to our listening class to hear new language in context and reinforce it through several conversations.
Great, Emma. I am ready to listen and practice.
First, vocabulary, rooms in the house. Second, grammar, WH questions with be.
I like this because the questions are useful in real life.
Exactly. So listen for simple questions, short answers, and housewords in the main dialogues. Apartment tour. Hi, I am here to see the apartment.
Welcome. Come in, please.
Where is the kitchen?
The kitchen is on the left.
And where's the bathroom?
The bathroom is next to the bedroom.
What is this room?
It is the living room.
Where is the laundry room?
It is in the hall, near the garage.
At the grocery store. Excuse me, where are the apples?
They are near the door.
What is the price?
They are $2 a bag.
Where is the milk?
The milk is in aisle 3 on the right.
Thank you. Where are the bags?
They are at the front. I can help you.
Ordering at a coffee shop. Good morning. What is your special today?
It is a small coffee and a muffin.
How much is it?
It is $4.
Where are the napkins?
They are by the window.
Great. When is the shop open tomorrow?
It is open at 7.
Doctor appointment check-in. Hello, I am here for my appointment.
What is your name?
My name is Lisa Brown.
Where is your ID card?
It is in my bag.
How are you today?
I am tired, but I am okay.
Your appointment is at 10:30.
Thank you. Where is the bathroom?
The bathroom is down the hall.
At the train station. Excuse me, where is platform 2?
It is over there, near the clock.
What time is the train?
It is at 5:15.
Where are the tickets?
They are in your email or at that machine.
Why is the train late?
There is a small problem. It is 10 minutes late.
Thank you. How far is the station exit?
It is very close, on the left.
Dinner at a friend's house. Thanks for inviting me.
Welcome. Dinner is almost ready.
Where is the dining room?
It is next to the kitchen.
Can I help?
Yes, please. The plates are in the kitchen.
Where's the bathroom?
It is down the hall.
What is that smell?
It is soup. We can eat in the living room today.
Good work, Nexo. These real dialogues help us hear English as people use it every day.
Yes, I heard many short questions and clear answers.
That is the goal, to understand useful situations and reinforce the vocabulary and grammar naturally.
I feel more confident now.
Wonderful. Goodbye, Nexo, and goodbye to everyone watching.